I thought about doing an unboxing, but no, it's boring. So this is the box. You need an app with this. And this stands out. iMovie, Final Cut. Battery. 1435 milliamp battery. Okay. Bunch of labels on there. Put this here. There's bags in there with like stickers. Well, the stickers are weird. Like weird. Fly into the future sticker. Enrich our lives. This seems to be the motto there. There. Enrich our lives. Not your life, our lives. Look first from within. Huh? And then here, an SD card. And this is like the square logo. The one what is on those microphones. On the magnet, the square thing. This is an SD card. Doesn't fit on an SD card. It's bigger than that. Just a sticker. And here too, it's like drawings. Here, this is the regular sticker there. Okay. What comes in it is like a user guide with a barcode where you download the app. User guide app. All that to do with it. And then on the back, how to use it with the app. Safety guidelines. Two little ones. Then here a card. A DJI form. This is full Chinese. Code there, you know. Or the wires come in here. And USB-C to USB-C. It comes with two propellers, one right turning, one left turning. And they call this A and B. Propeller A, propeller B. So two for replacement with a little tiny screwdriver here. Where it comes, the propeller contains propeller and a little bag with two screws to screw the propeller on. Two little screws, and yeah, so this is with those bags, and then you basically have the drone here. And there it is, okay. Take a look at it. Yeah. Back side. It's a profile from here. Side profile. Front buttons. On-off button there. USB. Here, here, there. Battery. It's like that. That's how the drone looks like from it. It's light. It's a toy, right? Yeah, and then here there's a protector over the gimbal. Right? This thing only moves up, down. It doesn't move sideways, not like this or anything. It only goes up, down the gimbal function. Yeah, this is all plastic, looks like. The cooling fins must be metal, I don't know. Oh, this only fits on here one way. Oh, there. Yeah, but that's how it looks like. For the ones that want to see the dimensions, 7-inch from here to here. 6 this way, right? 6-inch here, 5-inch this way. That's how it is. And in order to turn this on, you can turn it on, but you need the app. Okay, it came on. I don't know. There is no SD card or anything in this, right? That's amazing. Yeah, let's see what the app says. There you can see the lines. There's like lines through this plastic. So when you film the camera and keep this on, then those lines are in the way. Those lines are the ones you see in there.